Hi guys, welcome to another 5-minute flower. Today we are going to make a little daisy. This one I'm not using a pattern, I'm just sketching it out quick. I'm doing the stem, the center, and then I'm going to do one with 5 petals, but you can do as many as you want. I'm going to stick it in a small hoop just to stitch. You don't have to keep it in here if you don't want to. These hoops I'm actually in love with and they are linked below. For the stem, I am doing the split stitch. So I'm just going to make one little forward stitch and then come up right in the middle of that stitch and make another forward stitch and keep going with that pattern. Then I'm just going to make 2 little leaves by doing 2 little stitches close together off the side of the stem. For the actual flower, you're going to come up in the center, down almost in the exact hole you just went up, and then when you go back up, you're going to go to where you want the top of the petal and make sure that needle is in between the loop, and then bring it back down over that loop to secure it. I'm just straightening out the thread here. I am using 4 strands of thread folded over so that it makes 8. And then you are just going to repeat that with every petal that you want. Then I went with a different color thread for the middle, and I'm going to do a colonial knot. So pull it all the way through the middle, take the thread off to the side, and wrap the thread around your needle 2 to 3 times. You could even do 4, but I usually do 3. Bring it back down right in the center and pull it tight. And that is it. Quick little daisy. Thanks for watching, and turn notifications on. I will be doing more of these quick little flowers.